Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Prachi Tyagi. I'm speaking from AB Physiotherapy Clinic, Noida. So our today's topic of discussion will be knee pain. So what do you understand by knee pain? Or what comes on your mind when you think about knee pain? So what do you understand by knee pain? So knee pain is nothing but a pain in or around the knee which indicates a certain type of condition in the knee or around the knee or beneath the knee. So, what are the causes of knee pain? Like, there are multiple causes of knee pain. So, it can be due to injuries like sprain, strain, or cartilage tear, or it can be due to overweight also. Like, if a person is having overweight, then it can be due to that also because pressure comes on the knee joint. Or it can be due to the repetitive injury, repetitive movement on the particular part of knee, and that knee injury is not healing. It's just increasing day by day. Or it can be due to the your conditions like OA, rheumatoid arthritis, or many more. So, if we talk about the risk factors of the knee pain, then there are excessive weight of a person, a lack of flexibility of the muscle, lack of strength of the muscle, or overuse or repetitive movement of the muscle, or you are not doing the pre-rehab, pre-stretchings or post-stretchings of after the sports or after the gym. It can be the main reason of the knee pain. So if we talk about the medical conditions which cause knee pain, then there are multiple conditions which cause knee pain. So from all these conditions, the first one is osteoarthritis, second one is rheumatoid arthritis, third one is gout, fourth one is knee injury, fifth one is fracture, sixth one is Baker's cyst. So these all medical conditions are the reason for knee pain. So, if we talk about the symptoms of knee pain, then there are multiple symptoms of knee pain. Among them, the first one is thumping sound while doing the knee movement. Then it's swelling. It can be stiffness around the knee joint because the muscles got stiff due to limited range of motion. Then the other symptom is the limited range of motion. You can't completely flex or completely extend your knee. Then it's the inflammation around the knee joint and the continuous pain. If you are also dealing with the knee pain, then don't be late or don't delay the pain because it will worsen day by day and it will increase the stiffness, the swelling in the knee joint, and your range of motion will decrease. So it will worsen your knee joint or knee pain day by day. So don't be late. You can visit our clinic at AB Physiotherapy Clinic Noida anytime. Thank you.